Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Earn to Die Rogue game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Earn to Die Rogue game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, when you play your game for the first time, you will not be asked to sign up or log in. But if you wish to save your progress online, then you will need to do this. Now, if you're inside a match, then you can go back into the main menu, and from here tap on the gear icon at the bottom right. You will now see various different settings, including the option to sign up or sign in with your Google account. Tap on this menu, and then you can choose your preferred profile. If you have Google Play Games account, then this will link your Google Play Games account with the Earn to Die Rogue game. Tap on the continue button, and now this will sync your progress with your account. Just wait for a few seconds, and now the sign in option should disappear, and you will also see your Google Play Games username. This means that you have successfully signed up with your Google account on the Earn to Die game, and from this point on, whatever progress you make will be saved to this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Earn to Die game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.